first law is a power m into a power n is equal to a power n plus n. Is the example is suppose 2 power 3 into the base is same and 5 is equal to 2 3 plus 5 and then 2 power 8. Okay, here is the a 3b. It is the coefficients. This is the base and this is the power. Okay, and 4 is equal to 2 into 2. 2 into 2 is called the exponent. Okay, and you write 2 power 2 is the form of power. So this is the 4, the multiply 2 multiply 2 is a factor of 2 is called the expands, and 2 power 2 is a 2 times will 2 power 2 is called the power. Okay, now second rule is rule of division, that the base are same and divide by you have the power is subtract. Third rule, suppose a power m and whole power n is equal to the multiply the powers. Okay, fourth is is a power m into a power n. The base are same and power are changed. You write a into b. No, power are same and base are different. A power n, b power n is a power m. Here is a power m multiply b power m is equal to a into b power of m. Example I am given, and second is same, we divided is b power m is equal to a upon b power of m. Okay, and sixth rule is a power 0 is equal to 1. Okay, and that the inverse rule is 7. Suppose a power minus 1. A power minus 1 means if any number will be minus, you write 1 upon a power 1. Okay, now example, that the example is 2 power 3 divided by a power 2 is equal to 2 power 2. It means 3 minus 2 is equal to 2 power 1, and don't write the 2 power 1. 2 power 1 is equal to 2. Here example is 3 power 2 and whole power 5 is equal to 3. 2 into 5 is equal to 3 power 10. Here is a 3 power 2 into 2 power yeah, suppose 4 power 2. The base are different but power are same. You 3 into 4 power of 2, it means 12 power 2. Okay, next is 4 power 2 divisible by 3 power 2 is equal to 4 upon 3 power of 2, and that final answer is this. Suppose here is a 2, then we write 2 is equal to after cancellation 2 is 2 power 2. And here is a power 1 means 2 power 0 is equal to 1. 100 power 1000 power 0 is equal to 1, and any number you power is 0, it's mean the value of 1. And here 3 power minus 2 is equal to 1 upon 3 power 2. Negative powers will be changed in the denominator to positive. And second example, then 1 upon 2 power 3 is equal to 1 upon 1 of a minus 2 power minus 3 is equal to, you write 2 power 3 upon 1. Okay, that the first question is 3 power minus 2. 3 power minus 2 is write the according to rule is 1 power 3 power 2. You write the side is minus 1 is equal to 1 upon a power 1. Okay, rule is compulsory that the 1 upon 3 into 3 is 9. 3 power 2 is equal to 3 into 3. So that is the 1 upon 9. Okay. Now second is minus 4 power of minus 2. Okay. So that you write 1 upon minus 4 power of 2. Why? Because a power minus 1 is equal to 1 upon a power 1. And 1 upon minus 4 into minus 4 is equal to 1 upon 16. And third is 1 upon 2. 1 upon 2 of power of 5 is a third. Okay. So write 1 upon 2 power of 5. Why? Because a power minus 1 is equal to is a power 1. Okay. Then be 1 upon 1 into 2 upon 1 is equal to 2 power 5 is 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 5 times is 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 to the 16 and 16 to the 32. That the answer is 32. Now second question is simplify and express the result of power notated with positive. Means first you solve and the answer is you write in positive power. Suppose your answer is negative, come in negative power, you write the answer is a positive form. Okay. Now first question is minus 4 power of 5 minus 4 is power of 8. That minus 4 and minus 4 base are same and power are different. Here will be used that minus 4 5 minus 8. Which formula use that? A power m divisible by a power n is equal to a power m minus n. Okay, here the base is a same and power are different and is divisible sign. You have used the a power m divided by a power n is equal to a power m minus n. Now minus 4 is minus 3. Okay, 8 minus 3. So there it is a negative sign. If you use the change into positive minus 4 power 3. So that you used is a power minus 1 is equal to a power 1. Okay. 1 upon 3 power 1 upon 2 power 3 and whole power is 2. This is the second question. Okay. Now solve 1 upon power 3. 1 upon power 3 and whole power is 2. Now here will be used a division. So 1 upon 1 power 2 upon 2 power 3 into 2, because a power m and whole power n is equal to a power m into n. So this is the whole power that we multiply 1 and 2 power 3, 3 multiply 2. It means 1 square upon 2 power 6. So this is the answer. Okay. Now is the third question. Third question is minus 3 power 4 into 5 upon 3 power of 4. This is the third question is 5 upon 4. Okay. Now solve that minus 3. Here is the base is minus 3 power 4. 5 upon 3 and powers 4. So the rule of minus 3 into 5 upon 3 power of 4. Which rule use? You write here is am into bm power of m is a into b power of m. Why? Because here the value of a and value of b are different, but m power are same. That power is 4. So one time you write the power and quantity will multiply in the bracket. Now 3 to 3 cancel, is the value of 1 is minus 1 into 5 power of 4. Okay. This question is question number 4th. Question number 4th is 3 power minus 7 divided by 3 power minus 10 in the bracket, and second is 3 power minus 5. Okay, this is the 4th question. Now we solve. First will be base are same and divisible sign. It's mean 3 power minus 7 and minus 10. Okay, and multiply 3 power minus 5. They will use is a power m divisible by a power n is equal to a power m minus n. Okay, they will write 3 minus 7 minus multiply plus 10 multiply 3 power minus 5, and 3 power is minus 3 into 3 power minus 5. Okay, again there will be base are same and power are different, which way formula used to a power m into b a power n is equal to a power m plus n. Okay, that the formula used, that the power of a. Now 3 power 3 plus and minus 5. We'll solve 3 plus minus 5 is equal to 3 power minus 2. Then 3 power minus 2, it's mean they will change in positive power. They will 1 upon 3 3 is a 9. Here we'll write that a power minus 1 is equal to 1 upon a power 1. Okay, and question number 5. Question number 5 is solve that the 2 power minus 3 into minus 7 power of minus 3 and power of 3. Okay, this is the question number 5. Here will be 2 power minus 3 plus minus 7 power 3. Base are same, but power are same, but base are not same. So you write 2 into minus 7 power of 3, because a power m into b power m is equal to a into b power of m. Okay, now multiply minus 14 power of minus 3, and that the power of 3 you have changed in the positive sign, that you use the formula is a power minus 1 is equal to 1 upon a power 1. So that you write 1 upon minus 14 power of 3, that the answer is 1 upon minus 14 power of 3. Now question number 3. Question number 3 is the find the value of first question 3 power 0 plus 4 power minus 1 in the bracket and multiply 2 की power 2. Okay, so then we solve the 3 power 0 is equal to 1 and plus here is the minus power will be changed into positive in the bracket and multiply 2 power 2. There are two use the rule is the first is a power 0 is equal to 1 in the 3 power 0 is equal to 1, and second will be minus rule is minus 1 is equal to 1 upon a. There are two power value two rules are used. Okay, now find the LCM is 4, that 5 plus 1 here is the 4 into 2 power 2 it's mean 2 power 2 is a 4, because you find the value. So you have solved the end point is 5 upon 4 into 4 to 4 cancel is equal to answer is 5. Okay, now here is the second question is 2 power minus 1 multiply 4 power minus 1 in the bracket and part of divided by 2 power minus 3, 2 power minus 2, sorry. Okay, this is the second question. One time you check the 2 power minus 1 multiply 4 power minus 1 plus divided by that. Now here will we use the rule of 1 upon 2 into 1 upon 4 in bracket and divided by 1 upon 2 power 2. Only one rule will be that minus 1 is equal to 1 upon a power 1. Okay, so the rule of will be used the 3 times, that the 2 power minus 1 is the 1 upon 2, 4 power minus 1 is 1 upon 2 and 2 power. Then write the 1 upon 2 and multiply 1 upon 4 is the 1 upon 8. Okay, and divided by 1 upon 4 because 2 multiply 2 is equal to 4. Now the 1 upon 8 multiply 4 upon 1, it's a reciprocal. Now 4 1 is 4, 4 2, that is the value of 1 upon 2. Third is 1 upon 2 power of 2 minus 2 plus 1 upon 3 power of minus 2 plus 1 upon 4 minus 2. They will be use the rule of a power minus 1 is equal to 1 upon a power 1. So that's you write. In first time you write here too, suppose 1 upon 2, 1 upon a power of minus 1 is equal to a power 1. Okay, so you write the 2 power 2 plus 3 power 2 plus 4 power 2. Okay, then we write 2 2 is 4, 3 3 is 9 and 4 4 is 16. 2 times of already multiply and sum of a number of 29. Okay, then next question is question number 4. Question number 4 is given that in the bracket 3 minus 1 plus 4 minus 1 plus 5 minus 1 and power of 0. So here will be 1 upon 3 plus 1 upon 4 plus 1 upon 5 power of 0, that the value of 1 because the first angle is minus 1 is equal to 1 upon a and their 0 is equal to 1. The whole quantity will be power of 0, it's mean the value of 1. After solution the value will be after my LCM, you have first to find the LCM and then find the value of inside of the bracket, then inside the bracket and power of 0 is the value of 1. So you have direct write the value of 1. Now question number 5 is the minus 2 upon 3 and power of minus 2 and whole power is my 2. Okay, so here we will use the rule of that a power m and whole power n is equal to a power m into n. So you have multiplied these two powers, so you write minus 2 upon 3 and power minus 2 multiplied 2 is that minus 2 upon 3, then the power is minus 4. Okay, and change the power is a 3 upon minus 2 the power of 4 because a power minus 1 is equal to 1 upon a power 1. Okay, so then 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 upon minus 2 into minus 2 into minus 2 into minus 2, 4 times the power of 4. They multiply 3 3 is a 9, 9 3 is a 27 and 27 3 is a 81. And minus minus plus 2 4 and minus minus plus to 4 is the answer of 81 upon 16. So the first question is 8 power minus 1 into 5 power 3 upon 2 power minus 4. Okay, here 8 and 2 and 5. 8 will be changed the form of 2. 8 is changed means 2 into 2 into 2 is power of minus 1 into 5 power 3 upon 2 power minus 4. Okay, then here is a 2 power 3 whole power minus 1 into 5 power 3 upon 2 power 4 minus 4. Okay, the 3 times the 2 power 3. Then here is a 2 power 3 into minus 1 into 5 power 3 upon 2 power minus 4. Okay, then 2 power 3 into that minus 3 into 5 power 3 upon 2 power minus 4. Here will be used the formula of a power m and whole power n is equal to a power m and n. Okay, now here we write is 2 power minus 3 upon 2 power minus 4 into 5 power 3. Their base are same and divided by means 2 power minus 3 minus 4 into 5 power 3. Okay, here we will used a power m divided by a power n is equal to a power a minus n, and that the value of m and this is the value of n, m minus n already minus 4, that you solve 2 power minus 3 minus plus 4 into 5 power 3 is mean 2 power 1 will be not write that way 5 power 3 and 2 into 5 into 5 into 5, that means 2 power 125 is equal to 250 is a answer. That question number 4th second is 5 power minus 1 into 2 power minus 1 into 6 power minus 1. Here will we use the identities of a minus 1 is equal to 1 upon a. Okay, it's write the 1 upon 5 into 1 upon 2, okay, and into 1 upon 6. Okay, now next will be you have C the 6, so you write after multiplication 1 upon 10 into 1 upon 6, the value of 1 upon 60. So this in question number 5 in your exercise is one question and one is the example question. Okay, now we solve. Here we will find the value of the m for the which the first question and this is the second question. This is the question of example and this is a question of exercise. Okay, now 5 power m divided by 5 power minus 3 is equal to 5 power m. So we have solved first that the m minus 3 is equal to power of 5. Okay, here will be used a power m divided by a power n is equal to a m minus n. Okay, next here is the 5 power m plus 3 is equal to 5 power 5. Okay, if you write both side base value same. Okay, now power value are same. Up there you have see the base value are same. Okay, that we compare the power. Okay, so that will be m plus 3 is equal to 5, that m is equal to 5 minus 3, that m is equal to after subtraction the value of m is a 2. Okay, here will be base are same. Okay, now second part is the minus 3. Now solve minus 3 power of m plus 1 into minus 3 5 is equal to minus 3 power of 7. Here the base are same and multiplication the will rule of minus 3 is m plus 1 plus 5 is equal to minus 3 power of 7. Here we will write a power m into a power n is equal to a power m plus n will be use the identities. Okay, now Next step will be minus 3 is m plus 6 is equal to minus 3 power of 7. Here will be same matter will be right, okay, and solve that m plus 6 is equal to 7 and m is equal to 7 minus 6 after transfer that m is equal to 1, that the value of m is equal to 1. Number 6 is a first, okay. Here is a 1 upon 3 minus 1 power of minus 1 minus 1 upon 4 power of minus 1 and whole power minus 1, okay. Then we solve is 1 upon power minus 1 is only 3 upon 3 minus, here is the 4 and power of minus 1, because a power minus 1 is equal to 1 upon a, okay. Now is minus 1 power of minus 1, okay. Again minus of power 1 is means 1 upon minus 1 at the value of minus 1. Here will be used a minus 1 is equal to 1 upon a, okay. This is the sixth question. And next question is 5 upon 8 is power of minus 7 into 8 upon 5 and power of minus 4, okay. This is the second question, that will minus 7 means 5 upon 8 in change the inverse form is 8 upon 5 is 7 into, here is a 5 upon 8 is power of 4. We'll use the a power minus 1 is equal to 1 upon a power 1, okay. Now 8 is 7 times of 8, one, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7 and 5 times 4 times 5 and 7 times 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 3, 6 and 7 and 8 into 8 into 8 into 8 and 1 time of 8, 5, okay. Means 8 upon 7 power of 7 means you write the 8 upon 7 5 times and 5 upon 8 will write the 8 times of 7. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. It's mean 8 into 8 into 8 upon 5 into 5 into 5, okay. Now 5 3 times multiply 125 and 8 will be 3 times multiply will be 5, 1, 2. So this is the answer. The question is express the 4 power minus 3 as a power with a base of 2, okay. So you write is 4 power minus 3. 4 power minus 3 is the base of 2. So you change the 4 is 2 form, 2 into 2 power of 3 and this is the 2 power 2 is the base 3 and 2 power 2 into minus 3 and 2 power minus 6, okay. Here will be used a power m and whole power n is equal to a power m into n. So here is 2 power 6 is the base is a 2 and power is a minus 6. The question is asked with the base of 2, so there the base is a 2, okay. And some extra question, this example. Now simplify 1 upon 8 into 3 power minus 3, okay. So you write is 1 upon 8, 8 is a 2 into 2 into 2 is a 3 times and 3 3 power minus is 1 upon 3 power 3. Okay, it's 1 upon 2 power. Yes, don't write this type on 3 power 3, and this is the 2 power 3 into 3 power minus 3. They will write is 2 power minus 3, okay, into 3 power minus 3. Here will be used that a power minus 1 is equal to 1 upon a power 1, and divide sign to change into numerator is minus sign. So you have minus 3. Here will be used 2 into 3 minus 3, because a power m into b power m is equal to a into b power m, then be 6 power minus 3. Okay, then 6 power minus 3 is the change into positive sign, that 1 upon 6 power 3, that the answer is expanded form is 1 upon 6 into 6 into 6. The 1 upon 6 into 6 is 36 into 6 is 6 in 3, 18, 19, 20 and 196. Okay. Peace.